Congratulations on making it to step 4. In this step, we're actually going to import my high-ticket affiliate marketing funnel into your Builderall account so you can start using it in your own business. So how we're going to do that is you're going to go back to the Clone My Business page and click here to clone my business. That'll take you to a page that looks like this. Log in, and then you'll just put in your email and your password. This is my test account, so we'll log in here. And then it'll come up here saying, do you want to import the Clone My Business funnel? And you say confirm. All right. And as you can see here, after it runs its through, it'll say success, and you go to your site dashboard. So as you can see, it did pull it up here to Clone My Business, and it's unpublished. So that means that nobody can see it right now, which is what you want, because you want to be able to make your edits and changes before somebody can see it. So the first step in this is you go to edit my site, and it'll come up here, and it'll have your home page and the bridge page, which people will see after they click on the 15-day challenge. They'll go to your bridge page. So when you click edit page, so once you get into the page, as you see here, it's an almost exact copy of the affiliate marketing funnel that you saw when you came to my page. Nice thing is I left little placeholders here so that you can change those to whatever you want. So like to change your picture, all you do is click edit element, go to general settings, and change image. You'd be able to change it to whatever you want there. For text, you can change it in two ways. You can either choose the large content editor, which will let you change it here. The other way is you can double click it and you can just type it there so you can see what it'll actually look like instead of inside the content editor. So all you'd have to do is make sure you go through, change your picture, change your name here at the top and also in the body of the text. You can, if you're going to use this exact funnel, then all you would need to do is create your own videos to put on here, or if you just want to put an image or something like that, you could do that. But also the most important thing is you want to make sure you change the links inside here. So the top one, that is already set up for adding them to your email list if they're going to be joining the 15-day challenge. So you don't have to worry about anything for that if you're going to copy the exact funnel. But all the other ones, you just click on the button and click set link, and then that would let you change it to whatever link you want for whatever product you're promoting. All right, and so once you've gone through and done all that, so if you click save, it'll come up wanting to either publish it, which if you click that's fine, or eventually it'll do it on its own. I don't want to publish this right now, so you don't have to worry about that. Then we just, in my case, we would just leave. And so then you'd want to do the exact same thing for the bridge page, because the bridge page is just to help introduce everybody to the 15-day challenge. It's kind of pre-warned them for seeing that offer. So you'd come in here, edit your name, put your video in here, edit your picture, edit your name, and then of course edit the links. But other than that, everything is already set for you. So once you're done editing the page, you just want to go back to the home. You don't want to publish your page just yet, because you want to do an important step, which is connect the domain that you purchased earlier to your website. So you'd go down here to domain, and it'll ask you to type in the domain that you purchased and click connect. If you didn't buy it through Namecheap, you can buy it through Builderall, but it's definitely cheaper if you go through Namecheap. So once you type that in and hit connect, it'll come up saying, do you really want to connect so-and-so? But since I don't have an extra domain to connect, I'm not going to worry about that. But you just click confirm, and then it'll come up with a page that'll give you some DNS addresses. Those are technical terms for the name server that is sending the traffic to your page. So you'd log into your Namecheap account by going up here to account, and that'll take you to your dashboard, and it'll have your domain name. You just want to click manage. So you'd want to come down to where it says name servers and click custom DNS from the drop down and type in the name servers that Builderall gives you. Essentially what this will do is it'll make it so when somebody types your website address, it'll come over to Namecheap and then automatically go over to Builderall. Nice thing is, because it's the internet, that's instantaneous, so you don't have to worry about that. So once you've done that, you want to come back to Builderall, click the little icon in the top corner and click log out. That'll take you back to your home page, and then you go to Mailing Boss. Once you get into Mailing Boss, this is the autoresponder portion of Builderall. And the nice thing is, because of the fact that you've imported this, everything's already set up. This just gives you some quick statistics on your pages and lets you create workflows and stuff, so don't have to worry about any of that right now. So you want to go to lists. Now what you'll see on this page is a copy of whatever email list that you have. So you would see the Clone My Business email list here. What you'd want to do is go here to the email page configuration, and what this has is where people will see your subscribe email or the subscribe confirm, or if you set up a special page for them to see after they subscribe, that's where they would see it here. The way I have it set up is when they get added to your email sequence, they have what's called a double opt-in. So they will confirm that they want to receive emails from you. And I've set it up so that confirm email looks like a normal email in your email sequence. So what you'd want to do when you come to this page is the subscribe confirm email. You want to click on that. And this is where you would update this. So you'd put your name. If you have a TikTok or a Facebook or something, you can put a picture of that here. And then you'd want to click, make sure you click on these links and change the links to, well, actually that will confirm that they want to be on your list. So you don't have to do anything for that. And then you make sure you have your signature here at the bottom. That could be just as simple as typing your name, or if you have a picture, like a fancy email signature, you can put that here too, and then you just hit save and next, and that's it, because it just takes you back to that page. So now that that's done, you will go to campaigns and go to email sequences, and this Clone My Business email sequence is what you will see here. So right now I've given you 10 emails. So essentially what that'll do is that gives you 10 days of emails that the system will automatically send out to anybody who subscribes to your email list. And that will encourage them, that'll nurture them, make them trust you, and hopefully they will decide to purchase, whatever you want. And in this case, it's the 15-day challenge. And so all you would have to do is make sure that you go in here and you want to update sequence, and this is where you could change the name and stuff you want, but we don't, for now we don't have to worry about doing that. And this is where it has all of your emails, and as you can see, it shows right here, what the name of the what the headline will be, so whatever the email subject line will be, when it'll be sent, and then you can delete it or you can pause it if you want to, but don't have to worry about that now. And so in each email, you would just have to go through and change your name, change the links in there to whatever the affiliate link is that you want to send them to. So when you click in here, you just click edit link and then put in your own affiliate link. And then again, put your signature down there and you're all set. So the moment somebody visits your page, they get added to your email sequence, and the system automatically sends those emails out, and you don't have to do anything past that point. So with that, you're done with step 4. All you have to do is remember to go through, double check everything, make sure that you branded it with your own colors, updated your affiliate links, because you definitely want to make sure you get those commissions. Update the email sequence and everything so that when anybody comes in, you're all set. Now continue on to step 5, and I'll give you some hints and tips and tricks on how you can promote your funnel and get it out in front of people and get some sales.